Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good pesto pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil in your preferred pasta, like spaghetti or linguine. Having these ready ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's create that vibrant pesto. In your food processor, combine the fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic cloves, and grated Parmesan cheese. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are roughly chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. While your pesto is ready, it's time to cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your pasta. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is key for achieving a silky, well-coated pesto pasta. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade pesto pasta. Transfer the pasta and pesto to a serving bowl, tossing gently to combine. If the sauce seems too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. Garnish with extra Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Serve warm and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.